everyone! Today I am super excited because there is the iPad Pro, the iPad Pro Smart Keyboard Folio and the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. So I'm super excited and I think this is like the best day of my life today. So let's get to unboxing. So this is the iPad Pro, the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, and it's the 1 TB version. So there's like super lots of space for I don't know what. And then there is, oh, this is the one with the Wi-Fi and cellular, so you know, if you really need it. Okay, this is show yourself iPad. Oh no! Do you hate me? Why do you hate me? Come on, come on. 10 years later, it's still not opening. Ta-da! I'm so scared of this. Okay, look at this. This is the iPad Pro, the 12.9-inch. So excited! I think this is this space gray. I think this is space gray. Look at this beauty! Look at it! There's a back camera, a front camera that's 7 megapixel if I'm not wrong, and there is 4 speakers here, 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 in case you don't know. And it's using a USB Type-C port. What's this? Some paperwork, the usuals. This is the 18-watt Type-C adapter. Okay. And then we have a 1 meter USB Type-C cable. So one thing that's fancy about this new iPad Pro is that there's a magnetic connector here, which is where you attach the new Apple Pencil to charge it wirelessly. And what I like most about this is that it's retractable. Look at this. It's so fancy. I don't know. I like it. So with great iPad Pro comes great accessories. So this is the iPad Pro 12.9-inch Smart Keyboard Folio. We are going to unbox this. Oh, I need a knife. Ding. Oh no. I can't poke it in. I'm kind of scared. Oh god, please open up nicely. Yay! So this is it. Oops, oops. This is it. It's pretty light, I guess. I guess you can say it's pretty light. Ooh. Okay, it's... I don't know what color is this. Gray, I think. It's magnetic, so you can just attach your iPad to it. And then you can choose 2 options. I don't know if you can see it. I can't fold it. I can't fold it, Belle. I can't fold it. So the magnet behind this case is actually pretty strong, and there's 2 slots for you. So depending on your preference, you can put it like this, or you know, put it slightly tilted. And then there's the keyboard that we'll test out later, the Apple Pencil. Okay, so let's unbox this. It broke out. Wait, what? I can do this. Manual. Girl don't need no knife when she has fingernails. Okay, ding, ding. Designed by Apple in California. Ta-da! This is the Apple Pencil 2nd gen. And there's a plastic wrapped around it. Ooh. And this will stick. Do you call it stick? Connect directly? Can you see? It doesn't fall. Okay guys, so I've been setting up the iPad Pro and now we're gonna test the Face ID on this. Not really test, I'm gonna set it up. So what's great about the Face ID is that on the iPad Pro, you can actually unlock using the Face ID no matter what position your iPad Pro is. So that's the cool thing that the iPhones currently can't do. Okay, so this is the iPad Pro in its original position. I'm gonna flip it over 180 degrees, click on the power button, and ta-da! It unlocks. So what I really like about the iPad Pro is definitely the screen refresh rate, which is like super fast, and how big the screen size is, because I used to Netflix on my iPhone, but if I have this, I'm gonna replace it. Okay, so let's watch some videos to see how this iPad Pro perform. Look at the display, guys. Okay, it's obviously very clear. The video is very crisp. I think it's called crisp, and the colors are very vibrant. It's very bright, and I just love it. And also Blackpink, definitely Blackpink. Come on, it's Blackpink. So I'm gonna start testing the Smart Keyboard Folio. So personally, I think it's not bad, and it'd be very convenient because I usually bring my MacBook Pro out for events, but with a smaller device that is also lighter and it comes with a keyboard, I think that's much more convenient. And I wish it's more clickety. I don't know how you say it, you know, that feeling, but this would do just fine. So then with the new iPad Pro, Apple also created the new Apple Pencil, the 2nd generation, and I personally like this so much because it can magnetically charge wirelessly, you know, compared to the previous generation where you actually have to insert it at a port, which looks wrong, and it's just really a very inconvenient way of charging your Apple Pencil. Yeah, so this would do fine, and there's a gesture control, and there's this thing where you can double tap for like features. So we're gonna test it out now. Well, wait, I need to connect it first. What does that mean? Oh, okay, connect. Welcome to Apple Pencil. Yes, thank you very much. Continue. Explore, double tap. Oh, okay, so you can apparently double tap your Apple Pencil to switch between the tool you're using and eraser. So you know, if you want to erase what you've done, you can just double tap. Okay, so you can draw with the Apple Pencil, whatever you want to draw. I can't draw, okay? But if you want to erase it, you can just double tap and it'll switch to the eraser tool, and you can just erase everything that you've drawn. So one thing that's fancy about this Apple Pencil is that when you charge it, it actually shows the battery percentage of the Apple Pencil right here. So that is it, we're done unboxing the iPad Pro, the Smart Keyboard Folio, and the Apple Pencil, and I'm so excited to be reviewing this, so stay tuned for my next review video. Subscribe to our channel, KLGadgetTV, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Smart, 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 smart. It was a remix!